third-party authorization is basically you're asking for permission to the client for you to represent them throughout the whole process, talking to the insurance, meeting the adjuster, etc. Any kind of communication or documentation the insurance needs, that's gonna be your job. There are two cancellations. The first cancellation is if the insurance decides to not pay for the roof, then the client has the option to cancel the insurance agreement and the process is done. If a new storm comes by, then you can try again. The second cancellation is if the insurance decides to pay for the full roof replacement and the homeowner decides to either keep the money or go with another contractor, then US Roofing gets $1,500 for the first part of the job, which is getting the roof approved by the insurance. If we're able to do this successfully and the client sticks with us or stays with us, that fee is not gonna get charged. But if the client chooses to do something else with the money or chooses another contractor to work with, then we need to get paid $1,500